So if you would just step in this room, please.
Sure.
All right, Sarge. So I'll just you know. Today is November 15th. It is 12:42. So, Sergeant Oakley, I'm here to talk to you about a case I'm investigating. Recently, we were notified of an incident, or made aware of a report made to the local news outlets. In that article, there was some information that indicated there's possibly some misconduct or violations of constitutional or civil rights in those by those members of the gang unit. I just want to kind of just talk to you quickly about that.
Okay.
My understanding is you were in the gang unit several years ago. Is that
Yes.
correct? Do you remember what dates you were assigned to the gang unit?
I believe I went over in August of 2019, and I remained there until I got promoted to the rank of sergeant in December of 2020.
You said December?
Yes, August of 2019 to December of 2020.
That was right. I had it right. So August 2019 to December 2020. Mm-hmm. Do you remember who all was in the gang unit at the time you were there? If you recall.
Yeah, let me try to run down the roster from what I remember. When I initially went over, Sergeant Henson was my supervisor.
Okay.
And then Matt Bolin, Isaiah Fields, Scott Williams, Troy Yorton, Ernest Wilford, Lim Johnson. Lim and I actually came over and transferred on the same day.
Okay.
That's 6, including myself, is 7. There was 8 of us at the time. I'm trying to think of who the 8th person was.
Daigle there?
Bo didn't come till a little bit later. I'm trying to remember who the 8th person was when I got there, because Bo came a little bit after I did.
Okay.
There was one more. I just can't remember who the 8th person is right now, because I'm pretty sure there was 8 of us when I first.
Garriga?
He came later.
Okay. And some of these time frames may have overlapped, so it could.
They did, yeah. So there were some vacancies that were that came up.
Okay.
There's one other, but I'm pretty sure there was 8, and I can't think of who the 8th person is.
Fields, Bolin. Just trying to recall.
Or is that? Did I include myself in that? Those numbers I just gave you. Who do we have?
I've got a
Bolin,
roster.
Fields.
Let me go grab a roster.
Okay.
How about Barry? Chris Barry?
Chris Barry, but I think he also came a little bit. I don't remember if he was there before me or came a little bit after me.
Okay.
I want to say a little bit after.
Mills?
No, that was well after. That was toward the end that Mills was there.
And again, this is just trying to kind of feel out what time frame it was. I don't have that. I've got the text thread from there. How about Ripley?
He was after. I mean, not after. I mean, he was there while I was there, but only for a very short period of time, toward the end.
Okay. Well, that gives me enough to kind of start with. I'm just trying to get a list of
Sure.
when it was. So in your time in the gang unit, did you ever witness, participate in, or hear any actions that you felt the gang unit was possibly violating anybody's constitutional or civil rights? Did you ever have any actions where you felt that was happening?
No.
Do you feel that any time you were ever ordered, directed, or pressured to take enforcement action that you felt was unconstitutional?
No.
Was there ever any order or unwritten rule to target any particular group of individuals based on anything other than their potential gang affiliations?
No.
Is there any other information you might be able to add to help me in my investigation as far as what the allegations have been that I brought to your attention?
No.
Okay. That's all I need from you.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right. Well, thank you.